हेलो फ्रेंड्स, आज हम देखेंगे मल्टी डिसिप्लिनरी अप्रोच टू कैरियर ये क्या होता है, जो कि दिया गया है जेपी पांडे के द्वारा, यानी जयप्रकाश पांडे। सो नेशनल एजुकेशन पॉलिसी 2020 will act as an instrument of change that will lay a strong foundation on which the future of Naya Bharat will be built. It will mark a shift from the burden of school bag to experiential learning, with focus on making job creator instead of job seeker, in line with the aspirations of Indian youth in the 21st century, given by Prime Minister Narendra Modi. So Tanushka is pursuing the undergraduate degree in the economics honors at the college under Delhi University. In addition to her core subject of economics, she has chosen politics of globalization as her general elective, digital empowerment as a value-added course, creative writing as a skill enhancement course, and Sanskrit as her ability enhancement course. Beyond academics, she actively participates in the college dance society to pursue her passion and develop her soft skill. She has designed a diverse and enriching academic journey with flexible and multidisciplinary study plan has been made possible by National Education Policy (NEP) 2020. Such an approach supports students in realizing their full human potential and prepare them to explore diverse and fulfilling career path in the future. इसका मतलब ये हुआ कि इन्होंने बहुत सारे कोर्स अपने इंटरेस्ट के अनुसार ले रखा है, जो कि पॉसिबल हुआ एनईपी यानी नेशनल एजुकेशन पॉलिसी 2020 के थ्रू। तो The National Education Policy 2020 is a visionary document that focuses on development of cognitive learning and self-promote innovation and critical thinking among students. National Education Policy envisions an education system which is based on inquiry, discovery, discussion, and analysis, ultimately promoting the zeal of the learned among the student right from the pre-primary to higher education level. This policy plan to bring structural change in the education system to transform the teaching from what to think to how to think. क्या सोचना है से हमें कैसे सोचना है इसकी तरफ जाना चाहिए. Emphasizing on the flexibility, multidisciplinary, and the holistic approach to learn. Okay, education is a fundamental for achieving full human potential, developing an equitable and just society, promotion, national development, and catering for the need of 21st century. The multidisciplinary approach of education at all level of schooling gains paramount significance. The National Education Policy 2020 policy very well emphasizes the need to move towards multidisciplinary approach of teaching and learning in education. इसका holistic learning क्या है वो देखते हैं. Multidisciplinary approach in education encourages the integration of subject. What is this integration of subject? We are taking lot of different subjects according to our interest. Okay, and the adoption of more holistic and well-rounded curriculum. It is an academic approach that assimilates content and teaching method from multidiscipline or fields of study. In multidisciplinary education program, students are exposed to knowledge, perspectives, and methodology from various subject areas rather than focusing on single discipline or a limited area of study that restricts wider understanding. This includes integration of disciplines, interconnected learnings, and collaborative knowledge. The multidisciplinary approach in education can do away with a rigid and traditional stream-based structure and assist a student to follow the passion and guidance to excel as per their future goals. It promotes the culture of skilling, reskilling, and upskilling among the students, a pivotal necessity in the new era of the education economics. Okay, so what does National Education Policy 2020 reflects? It reflects the true essence of Swami Vivekananda. It's man-making education. Okay, Sri Aurobindo, integral education, and Mahatma Gandhi's basic education. It recognizes the soft skills such as the communication, adaptability, integrity, cooperation, teamwork, leadership, accountability, compassion, empathy, resilience, etc. as a life skill, while mastering and proficiency in the field of knowledge as hard skill. The combination of two careers of proficiency, balance between the knowledge and the interpersonal attributes. As such, this approach is conceived to facilitate students to develop academic expertise with vital leadership skills that can help them in career growth, career path. Okay, one can trace the root of such an education. Okay, thank you. Education system in incentive.